Fiano is grown on 15 to 20 years old vines, planted between 650 to 1600 feet above the sea level in deep calcareous and mineral-rich soil, mostly limestone. With 1,000 acres of vineyards, it is the largest appellation in terms of geographical area in between 26 communes, but it's also the smallest in terms of suitable vine area with about 3 million bottles produced every year. Fiano is an ancient variety from Campania that the Latins named Vitis apiana due to the sweetness of its grape, which attracted bees. Fiano grows on volcanic soil, which provides the lively acidity and minerality that wine lovers expect in Mediterranean-style white wines. It has freshness and minerality that goes well with seafood and shellfish. It also has a very good capacity for aging. The wine has notes of fresh flowers, peach, and candied orange, a rich white wine that you can compare to some dry Riesling.